Hang on, I need to go down for my butt.
Wait, why? Hang on, everything's slick. Hang on, baby.
That could help a little.
Hang on, let Daddy hold your hand. Hey y'all, and good morning. Headed out to let the chickens out. We actually got a little bit of snow, surprising. I didn't think we would. Mostly ice, but just a little bit of snow. It's cold. We're gonna go out and take some water to the chickens and let them out because we put them all up last night to make sure that they stayed warm. Just the littlest bit of snow, but for us, I mean, we don't ever see snow. All the roads though are frozen. I think it was about like 7 o'clock last night. All the roads were declared impassable. Like this, y'all, like that's hard. It's not fluffy snow, it's ice. There's a little snow under it. You have to be careful. Like I could slide on this right here. Be careful so you don't fall. I think your gloves are a little big. They keep your hands warm though. All right, let's go get the chickies some food. Let me grab them some food. You want to carry it? Take that to Dad.
Hey, babies.
Hey, baby.
Good morning.
Look at I did. No.
There's snow. Tell them there's snow.
No, Kiki. Get out. Get out.
They're like, no, thank you. I'll go back in. Tell them, come see the snow.
I know it's away.
What is this stuff?
I kicked out. The kicker is over there. Hold on. Go.
Tell Jackie, come on, Jackie. Tell her, come on, Jackie. Oh, nope. Can you hand me that water?
Ow. Ow.
Audrey got a haircut last night.
Ow,
All right, turn it so I can hold
Mama.
the yeah.
Mama.
Yeah, you can help. Just don't get it on your hands. Nope. Here, let me help you get the handle. You hold the handle right here. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Thank you for helping.
Water.
Water.
Wait. It's that bird. Oh, what the guy?
May just have to pour this over it. Just pour this over it. It's all gonna freeze. We'll just have to. Hey, babies. Oh, she's like,
Oh, she found it. Whoops, poured in the bucket.
Get out.
did everybody stay warm? You all look like it.
Let them out, buddy.
One more coop to go let out. So far, everybody seems like they did just fine through the night. The littlest ones are already going back inside their house. They're like, I ain't having this. We've put them all some fresh water, but we'll have to come back out in another hour or so and do it again.
If you're gonna have them, might as well just be ready to take care of them.
hear you. There you are. Yeah, they all made it out. Is that still snow falling through the air? Or ice? It sure is shiny. Yeah. Yeah. Pieces of ice. They're so sparkly.
It's the ice crystals.
Flying through the air. You working?
Yeah.
Kind of feels a little bit like summertime in the middle of the cold winter. With all the fruit. We came inside and warmed up for a little bit. We'll have to go back out and check the chickens' water here in just a little while. It's actually not just incredibly uncomfortable outside until the wind hits you. Then it's pretty rough. Layer of ice on everything. But I think we'll be all right. In yesterday's video, we were getting some things ready for the cold weather. And I have really enjoyed reading all of your comments and where you're from and what the weather is like where you are. Y'all stay safe and warm. I'm going to go make some homemade granola bars so that we have those to snack on. And then maybe do some little fun like hot dog, crescent roll wrapped hot dogs. I think that's what we'll do for lunch. Justin had found some videos of the roads here in our area. Makes me nervous for those that are out on them. All right, so we're gonna make some crescent roll wrapped hot dogs. Real easy. If you can get a sheet of crescent rolls, it would probably be a little easier. At least take one step out of it, because what I'm going to do is pinch some of these seams together, and then I'm going to cut this into 16 pieces. So I'm going to leave the 4 bigger squares and cut each of those into 4 pieces, just pinching those diagonal seams together. And then we're going to take our hot dogs. We really like the Nathan's brand hot dogs. And I'm going to cut each of those 8 hot dogs in half, making 16 pieces. And we'll wrap a piece of the crescent roll, the dough, around the hot dog. And then put that over on our baking sheet. And I just did this with all of my hot dogs. Audrey came in to help me, and it moved really fast. Once she got in there, we got through these really quickly. I had my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I baked these for about 15 minutes until the dough was cooked through and the hot dogs were nice and hot. Wyatt is helping me. We're going to make some granola bars. Hang on, I'll show you what I've got over on the stove. We're going to get our dry ingredients here. You can do it. You can pour it. We need 1.5 cups of oats and 1.5 cups of rice cereal. And over on the stove, I'm melting 1/2 cup of peanut butter and 1/2 cup of honey together. Yep. All right. I'm going to pour this one in. Good job. All right, let me get the next one ready.
Oh, there you go.
That's right, rice cereal.
Help. Here.
Start with a spatula. Real easy. Don't splash it out. Real easy. What about coconut? Should we put some coconut in it today too? All right, we'll do a little bit of chocolate chips.
Rice.
About that many? And we can put some more on the top. Do a little bit of coconut too.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, why not?
Coconut.
Coconut. You want to sprinkle some in?
Pickles. 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 Pickles.
Very good.
Pickles. Pickles. big cookie dough.
Alright, stir it up. You want to stick to around 3 cups of dry ingredients. You can do raisins, cranberries. Whoa, careful, careful. This is warm, okay?
Whoa. So, yeah.
You gotta get it all out.
Oh.
I know you want to do it, baby.
Do it. Do it.
Alright, now we're gonna press this into our, I've got a baking dish. I lined it with some wax paper. Usually I use parchment paper, but I'm out.
Out?
Yeah, I'm out. We're gonna take it over there and we're gonna press it into our baking dish, okay? Gotta put them in the refrigerator. Don't eat all the chocolate chips off the top. We gotta put them in the refrigerator for just a little while. Headed out to check on the chickens again. It's gonna be the routine every few hours for the next couple days. It's continuing to get colder throughout the day today and then into the night tonight and early morning tomorrow, and you can definitely feel it. Every time we go outside, it feels a little colder. Come back this way. I'm thankful that we can be at home together right now and just spending time making some memories in this really cold weather. I love you. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.